Greens one and all, take two I guess. For some reason the camera kind of froze. So I'm at a place called Suntop. The outhouse. Sign about the outhouse. As I was saying, there's a lookout up here, which I'm gonna go up to here in a moment, but way down in the valley down there, way down in the valley is the runway, and there's actually a trailhead down there, and you can hike from all the way down there all the way to the top of this, which is pretty cool. Yeah, so I wish it was a little bit more clear of a day. Wow. So I don't know if it's going to show up on camera, but that right there is Mount Rainier. What a great view. Just saw it. That's why I said, wow. So I'm going to get a better view of that for sure. So let's get to it. And that is one heck of a view of Mount Rainier. If only this tree here wasn't in the way. It's pretty amazing. Yeah, it's a pretty nice view. Dang it. It's really hard to get a straight shot sometimes. Yeah, that's one heck of a view. Of course, the camera never does it justice. This whole area, though. I guess the trail's just down there. You can hike up. But dang, I wish that solar panel wasn't right in the way. And I think the building up there said we were 5,280 feet of elevation. So it doesn't look like we're that high from the top of Rainier either. It's cool how that cloud is just hovering above. Damn, I wish I could see the view screen. It's so bright out here. I can't even see the view screen. If you were on top of that right now, that cloud would be giving you shade. It's really cool. Really glad I came up here. Even if the drive was a bit of a hairy one. Yeah, this is my view. Vehicle just pulled up. Try to get the view, the naked. This is close. I guess it's got to zoom in a little closer, but trying to get the zoom at to where my naked eye is seeing, so you guys can see, for perspective's sake. But there goes another car. Guess I'm not the only one who drove up here. There's a trail. There's a little parking lot about 0.6 miles down. You can just hike up from there, but I decided just to drive up. Mostly because I'm being lazy. But yeah, really neat. Of course, camera doesn't do the panoramic view that I get to see. Man, you can hear those people up there from here. I mean, they're good little ways up there, but it's like they have no concept of keep your voice down. Anyway, maybe I'm just being picky. The forest ranger lady, I came up there and there was a bed, and she's like, "Wow, do you guys sleep up here?" So I was, "Oh yeah, we spent the night last night." I'm like, "Oh, so lucky." I would do that for free. They just said, "Hey Mark, do you want to come up here, spend the night, 6 p.m. to 6 p.m. tomorrow, work 12-hour shifts, spend the night?" I'll be like, yes, I would. I absolutely would do that. Hook me up. Do it for nothing. The only condition I would ask, and I know it would be impossible, is like, let me shut the gate and keep people away. But it's alright.